Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Audi A5 headlights. First, park your car on a level surface facing a wall, about 25 feet away. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly and your fuel tank is at least half full. This ensures an accurate baseline for adjustment. Next, measure the exact height from the ground to the center of your headlight lenses. This measurement is crucial for proper alignment. Now let's prepare your aiming target. On the wall, use tape to create two distinct marks for each headlight. Draw a horizontal line at the height you just measured from the ground to the headlight center. Then, add two vertical lines, one directly in front of the center of each headlight. These marks will guide your adjustments precisely.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. Quick recommendation: adjusting your headlights improves your view, but what about the air inside your car? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With your car positioned and the wall marked, it's time to adjust. Open your hood and find the two adjustment screws on the back of each headlight unit. One screw controls the vertical aim, and the other handles horizontal movement. Turn the vertical screw to align the top of the brightest part of the beam, the cutoff line, slightly below your horizontal mark. Then, use the horizontal screw to center the beam. After initial adjustments, step back and observe both headlights together. Fine-tune each beam until the cutoff line sits approximately 2 1/8 inches below your horizontal wall mark. The beams should be centered vertically. Once satisfied, take your Audi A5 for a drive on a dark road. This real-world test confirms your headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.